Obisk gospodarske delegacije v Moskvi. Mednarodna konferenca The Financial Repression of Savers and Investors na Dunaju. Global Cane Forum v Cape Townu. Oktobra je v Moskvi potekal rusko-slovenski poslovni in investicijski forum, ki so se ga udeležili tudi predstavniki VZMD.
Yesterday we took part in the conference in Moscow, and it was a very interesting meeting because we discussed all actual problems with our potential partners in Slovenia. And the main thing I would say that for Russian investors it's very vital to have concrete offer from Slovenian partners. And with Mr. Verbic we signed a memorandum of the next meeting which will be organized during the visit of Prime Minister of Slovenia in Moscow. We will continue our discussions about potential investment Russian investors in Slovenia, and I hope we will have success in this deal.
Neposredno po zaključku konference so se predstavniki VZMD odpravili na Dunaj, kjer je 18. oktobra Evropska federacija uporabnikov finančnih storitev Eurofinius skupaj z avstrijskim združenjem vlagateljev IVA v prostorih Vienna Insurance Group organizirala mednarodno konferenco z naslovom The Financial Repression of Savers and Investors. Gre za že drugo mednarodno konferenco na Dunaju, ki se je, po letošnji konferenci Evropske mreže poslovnih angelov EBAN 2013, udeležujejo predstavniki VZMD, kot tudi za drugo letošnjo konferenco Eurofinius, po marčevski, ki je potekala v Evropskem parlamentu.
The goal of the conference was to check whether there is in fact financial repression, and yes, I thought there was, but I think now there is consensus that there is in fact financial repression against all European citizens. And I think the conference also tapped on, what are the impacts or the consequences of financial repression, and also on what to do with it.
Essentially, it's about bringing fiscal revenues into line with fiscal expenditures. Now, in some countries, that has not been entirely through the profligacy of the government. It is also because the government, i.e. the taxpayer, has taken on the debts of the banks.
VZMD, ki je med najaktivnejšimi člani Eurofinius, predsednik VZMD, magister Kristjan Verbič, pa je tudi član izvršnega odbora, je med paneliste tokrat vključilo predstavnika slovenskega zavarovalništva, gospoda Benjamina Jošarja, člana uprave zavarovalnice Triglav d.d., ki je skupaj s 26 drugimi gospodarskimi subjekti iz Slovenije vključena v mednarodna poslovno-investitorska programa VZMD Investo.si in Invest2Net. Hkrati je bilo poskrbljeno za ustrezno predstavitev podjetij, institucij in investicijskih projektov vključenih v programa Investo.si in Invest2Net, tokrat glede na interes še posebej zavarovalnice Triglav, s katere je poleg gospoda Jošarja konferenco obiskal tudi izvršni direktor za finance, magister Uroš Ivanc. V sklopu okrogle mize je predsednik VZMD odprl razpravo povezano s posredovanim stališčem glede tako imenovanega striženja vlagateljev v Sloveniji, kar bi prav lahko postal vzorčni primer tudi za druge države. Pri tem je predstavil problematiko predloga slovenskega zakona o spremembi zakona o bančništvu, ki izrecno retroaktivno in bistveno posega v pravice imetnikov podrejenih obveznic bank.
It's a problem because this is not the way how to regain the trust of investors. It's the opposite.
Zato je bila njegova razprava namenjena predvsem predstavniku Evropske komisije za notranji trg in storitve, gospodu Carlosu Maravalju.
The problem is that the supervisors in the individual member states didn't do their job. In Slovenia, in Spain, in many other member states, they didn't do their job. The reason why we're contemplating whether it's investors or taxpayers or whomever putting money is because the losses that those financial institutions have faced are larger than their equity base, right? When you eat up the equity base is when you have to start looking for whom else is to pay. You wipe the equity, you try to inject new one. If you have to go beyond the equity, it means the losses have been so massive that the equity is not enough to absorb it. So here is a political problem, who is to pay? Well, I'm not supervisor, so if you want to suggest any way how to punish supervisor for not having do their job, on a personal level, I'll support it.
Predstavnik zavarovalnice Triglav Benjamin Jošar je izpostavil visoko zadolženost držav in poudaril potrebo po ukrepanju.
The fact is that the countries are overdebted. The fact is that you actually cannot grow yourself out of the crisis. Theoretically, you can do it. Practically, it's next to impossible. So something has to be done. Reducing that via measures of financial repression is something that worked in the past and something which apparently is working at present as well. So to give a value judgment, it's not for me to decide. For us as an insurance company, it's a fact that we are living in a difficult environment where to invest. On one side, we have some certain goals. To the other side, we have to invest prudently, and you have to accommodate to that.
Na okrogli mizi so razpravljali še soustanovitelj in predsednik Evropske mreže Crowdfunding Oliver Gajda, predstavnik Union Asset Management Holding AG Joachim von Korenberg in predstavnica Avstrijske zvezne delavske zbornice in članica ESMA Gabriele Zgubic-Engleda. Konferenco sta s pozdravnima nagovoroma otvorila predsednik IVA Wilhelm Rasinger in predsednik Eurofinius Jean Berton.
I'm very glad that so many delegations from various countries followed our invitation to come to Vienna to discuss this very important topic about financial repression.
Financial repression thus takes many forms. Artificially low interest rates, increased taxation on nominal investment income, while inflation is already eating all your remuneration. What a nice way to reward the small savers and investors who have successfully managed their budgets.
Zbrane so med drugim nagovorili in predstavili svoje poglede tudi predsednik Avstrijske nacionalne banke Klaus Reidl, izvršni direktor Avstrijske agencije za nadzor finančnega trga Helmut Ettel, predsednik uprave Vienna Insurance Group Peter Hagen, nizozemski ekonomist in publicist Edin Mujagić, član Evropskega ekonomsko-socialnega odbora David Krugan in izvršni direktor Eurofinius Guillaume Praš.
Financial repression is letting money go to the places money would not go otherwise, so it's an inefficient allocation of money, which is bad news for economic growth, which is always a bad news, certainly now when we face very strong headwinds in that field.
With this difficult environment, authorities are doing things to address the crisis. If you want to call it financial repression, that's fine with me, or with the authorities in general. I'd say that some of those actions that are being done sometimes have good consequences and sometimes they have bad consequences.
As a European banking, as a SSM, the single supervisor mechanism is starting this November next year. So as ECB has to conduct screening of the balance sheets of all huge European banks. In order to clean up these balances, in order to restore confidence in the European banking system, in order to let the banking industry channel the resources to the real economy again. I think this is a very important precondition that we can transmit this low interest rate environment in growth rates in the real economy.
Aktivnosti programov Investu Slovenija, Investo SI in International Investors Network, Investu.net, se v tem tednu nadaljujejo z udeležbo na King Global Forumu v Cape Townu, v mesecu novembru pa sledi še udeležba na živilskem in vinarskem sejmu Gourmet Food & Wine Expo v Torontu. Po letošnjih uspešnih predstavitvah v Astani, Almatiju, Bakuju, Bruslju, Bukarešti, Dunaju, Kijevu, Ljubljani, Madridu, Moskvi, New Delhiju, Tokiju in Zagrebu, v VZMD vabijo vse, da svoj cenjeni interes za sodelovanje na prihodnjih prireditvah sporočijo koordinatorju programa Investo SI pri VZMD na telefonsko številko 031 770 771 ali po elektronski pošti tratar@investo.si.